In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. So first of all, if you already have some crypto in your account and you want to swap that to Solana, then just click swap. At the bottom, select Solana. So you can search for Solana right here. And then you can just at the top select what you already own and then just swap to Solana. But if you actually want to buy it using a credit card or Apple Pay or PayPal, then from the home screen click buy, select Solana, choose how much you want to buy, for example $50. And then here for the payment method, it's set to credit and debit card. You can just click on whatever it says for you, and then at the top click on it again and change it to whatever you want. For example, I'll use Apple Pay. Then you can see the providers. So I'll use MoonPay since they have the lowest price. And then here you can click buy. And then from here, it's going to redirect you to MoonPay in this case. And then I can just go and check out using MoonPay. And once I pay using my Apple Pay, it will then show up in my actual balance right here. So now you know how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.